Hello guys, this is how to record phone calls on the Redmi 15C. Basically, you want to go ahead and pick up the phone call first and foremost. And now, while you are on the call, you want to click on the more option at the right hand side over here. Now proceed to click on the record option that pops out over here. And automatically, your Redmi 15C will start to record everything going on this particular call. You can go ahead and end the recording by simply clicking on the stop icon over here. Or you can just proceed to end the call and the recording will be stored and saved into your Redmi 15C. So I'll just proceed to click on the end call button over here. And basically, for you to be able to find and play back your call recording, you just want to go ahead and open up your phone call application, which is this application over here. And then this is actually my recent call. I'll just go ahead and tap on the name of that particular caller. And here you can see the recordings. I can go ahead and play it from here and listen to everything again. I can as well share it to any contacts or any application. And lastly, I can as well go ahead and delete that particular recording if I want. And that is basically how to record phone calls on the Redmi 15C. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.